Hello everyone, in this video we're doing lab 11.7.7, configure a wireless infrastructure. Here's the scenario, and here are the, and here are the tasks. Let's start. So first we're going to connect the cable modem to the WAN connection on the wall plate. Okay, so we're going to put this right here, right there. We're going to go to the back, we're going to connect a coaxial cable right here. This goes right there. This goes all the way up here. Boom. Next, we're going to connect the wireless router to the cable modem. Routers, wireless router, put it right here. Turn it to its back. Go to cables, RJ45. The first one's going to go right here. And the second one is going to go right there. Third, we're going to connect the computer to this wireless router. Go to the PC at the back. Select RJ45 cable. Cable's going to go right here. And the other one, we're going to put it right here. Next, we're going to provide power to the power modem and the wireless router. So power adapter AC to DC. We'll put the box right there and the power connector right here. We're going to do the exact same thing for this one. So right there. This goes right here. Let's make sure it's actually connected. Left click, or I'm sorry, right click, network internet settings, Ethernet. Yep, looks like it's good. Let's score it. Perfect. Thank you for watching, and here's the explanation below that goes into a little bit more depth. Thank you.